Morning, everybody. It is Thursday, April 23rd, I think, 2026, out on Lake Maumelle. We are just going to poke around for a couple hours. It's been kind of an interesting day. It started off really sunny, and then we've gotten really overcast. There's no rain, but there's a lot of wind kicking up. So I wanted to try to get to some places before the wind really got there. Didn't really work, but I've already had one bite on a chatterbait. The water's looking pretty stained. Water temperature is about 65, so down a little bit from what it's been. We're just gonna poke around today, see what we can't get, try to keep moving, and go from there. So let's get to it.
Is Margaret.
Oh, come on, stay on. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. All right. Oh, golly, I knew that there had to be a fish in here. There we go. Holy smokes, family was just asking if I caught any fish.
My fish!
You see it? You want to touch it? Family was just asking. Okay, so there we go, that's one. Golly, that took forever. I think I was having to work it a little bit more aggressively. Maybe I was giving it too much time? I just don't know. So confused. Well, what's going on though is this creek is actually filling in, so the water's coming up. Which is, gosh, that's really good. There we go. That's two. Stay panned. That's a better fish. About the same size as the last one, maybe a little bit bigger. But still, there we go. Two. So we're just having to work it a little bit more aggressively. All right, technically stop number 3. This is a place that's a little bit more out of the wind, protected, kind of a secondary, tertiary point. So we're gonna get in there, see if we can find something. No, I haven't even seen a fish back in here. Yikes. Holy smokes. Well, I saw one fish nipping at the surface. It wasn't chasing my bait, and got a ladybug. So that's the other plus side of things, but this just is not working. So we will go ahead and keep moving on. My friend, let's put you down over here. What do you say? All right, spot number 4. We've only got 2 fish. Probably gonna do 15 minutes on the bank and then 15 minutes back in some pockets. Switch things up. I've got a shaky head on where I had a wacky worm. I put on a new craw for my chartreuse colored bladed jig. Put on a different, I put on a rattle trap for my swim, my crankbait. and then change the color of the mag draft. So we're gonna just try some different stuff. Crank. Spot number 5 or 6 or whatever, I've lost count. We're not doing particularly well, even though the water's up. So hopefully our luck will change through here. There's got to be fish somewhere here wanting to eat. Okay. Let's go. Golly, this day started out so well and has turned into just a complete grind. So I don't know. We'll see if we can put anything else together. Man, how frustrating. So I haven't had a bite or even seen a fish like in the last couple of hours. So I should probably just head home. We're just gonna keep going though. Go back to where we know the fish were. Just trying to kill time today, but also try not to let this frustrate me. I'm super frustrated, but we'll try to get at it. What's wrong? There we go, finally. Oh, finally, my God.
A fish!
Holy smokes. It has taken all day to get 3 fish. Goodness.
My fish.
There's our little fishy fish. Do you want to touch it? Here.
I want.
Little tiny one.
Is my little baby.
Goodness. I didn't think we were ever going to see a fish again. I'm getting so frustrated. Gonna get shallow again. Really shallow?
May I have Roblox?
Yes! Oh, this place.
Wow!
This is it.
Look at the fishy.
Small fish. We'll take it. You want to watch them go? Woo! There we go. Thank goodness. Okay.
Is the fish gonna pull the fire drill?
No, because then they'll get in trouble. Oh, stay on. Yeah. Yes. Golly, that's what I'm talking about.
Fish!
Oh. So thankful for you guys. Look at that. That's a pretty fish, right? Man, so thankful for these guys biting. I was getting so frustrated. That was awesome. That's 3 fish right in this little area. Wish I could have caught them somewhere else on the lake, but